Today we are going to see how to buy Drew House in India. It's a pretty simple and usual process, but I don't know why most people keep asking me to make videos about how to buy from different websites because it's exactly like buying groceries. Anyway, I'll cover that. Also, I will tell you about the pricing, sizing, payment options, shipping times and all of it, along with a breakup of all duties and taxes that we have to pay when ordering Drew House from India. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So, Drew House. Those of you who do not know, Drew House is Justin Bieber's line of clothing, which is sort of blowing up, and hence I decided to document this guide on my channel before everyone soon starts asking for it. With quite a few celebrities starting to be spotted wearing Drew House, especially Harshvardhan Kapoor, who pretty much was the first to start the trend in India, I believe the wave is already here. Now before we get into it, let me tell you 3 things about this brand. 1. The brand's logo is a smiley face with Drew written in place of the mouth. So the collection with this logo compared to any other design is always going to command a higher price in the resale market. 2. It is unisex. Each product's description reads unisex, wear it how you want, and hence has a wide sizing availability from XS right up till XXL. And 3. It's not cheap. Usual pricing for the short sleeve tee is about $48, a long sleeve tee is $58 and a hoodie is about $98. Now let's go ahead and open a few pieces that I recently ordered. So these are the 3 things I ordered from the website. 1 I'm wearing, that's a long sleeve tee, and 2 are these and they are the short sleeve tees. Packaging is pretty cool. It comes with this Drew House imprinted on the outside. Let's go ahead and open this up. Feels very premium with all the labels and all of that, and quality also feels nice. I'm sure it's better than ASSC. I don't know about the rest yet. Let me open the other one up. Now let's start with how you can buy it in India. It's very simple. Like most of you know about ASSC, Anti-Social Social Club, that is. This too drops every once in a while and the exact time of release is shared on their Instagram. Sellout times are also pretty much like ASSC, so you got to hop on to the website at given time and be quick to add everything you want to your cart. Let me take you through the footage of my first order for a better understanding. Okay, so here we are on the Drew House website, that is thehouseofdrew.com. Now usually the drop time is about 11:30 PM as per India time. So I got on the website about 2 minutes earlier, and as soon as it hit 11:30, I hit the refresh button and the collection was up. Now here is the home page where you will see all the collection that has come up on sale in the current drop. You can choose whatever you want, add to cart. As you can see, there is enough time and there is no hurry as such. It's not as bad as Supreme is, so which is why you don't need any bots. You can take your time, choose what you like, add them to cart. So when you click an item, you can also see underneath, like under this long sleeve tee, you can see the material information, the fit of the tee, and other than this there is also a size chart on the website, so don't worry about that. So after you have added everything to your cart, you can then obviously click checkout and you will come on to this final page before placing your order. Now here you have a couple of options. Obviously you can pay with your credit card, but you will have to enter all your information. Now keep in mind, you don't need to create an account before trying to buy what you want. You can always place your first order and along with that save your information to create the new account, but it's not needed. And if you use PayPal, you probably will never need to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and click Express Checkout via PayPal, log in my info, select my shipping address within PayPal, and then it will take me back to the website. Now all I have to do is just enter my contact number and that's it. Now the page is updated with the shipping information. The standard shipping prices is about $30 to our country. After that we'll continue to the payment method. Like you saw, I already signed into my PayPal, so this is going to be a faster step. It just shows you everything that you've selected and how much the total is and how you are going to pay. After this, you're just going to click complete order and that's it. Your order is placed. Now we will talk about shipping. Shipping is great. Usually they ship out within a week after you place your order and using FedEx only. So it's fast and takes about a week more to reach you. About duties. This is how much I got charged on an order of $184, which amounts to roughly 15,000 rupees. Duties was about 4.5k, IGST was 4.5k, and another charge of about $500 for FedEx, as they pay your duty in advance to clear the shipping and collect it from you on delivery. So total of 10,000 rupees roughly. To sum it up, net taxes charged are about 66% on total amount paid including shipping, payable upon delivery to the courier guys. Let me repeat. Duties and taxes payable upon delivery to courier guys. I hope I've made myself clear because I have answered 1000 questions related to this. Anyway, in short, as per my order, a short sleeve tee comes to around 7,500 rupees and a long sleeve tee comes to around 9,000 rupees. And going by this calculation, a hoodie would cost around 14,000 rupees net. Now, payment options. Going by my experience on most websites that ship to India, you can use any of your debit and credit cards. Please note that many a times a certain card might not work for security reasons or any other reason. Hence, I advise you to create your PayPal account and add your cards in that, then use the PayPal checkout option on the websites. 2 reasons to do this. 1. PayPal checkout is faster, and 2. You will never have a decline on your card for any reason whatsoever. Obviously, this doesn't mean that it will work even if you don't have enough balance in your debit or not enough limit on your credit. I feel so dumb mentioning such things, but let's not get into that.
Stop it. Get some help.
Next, sizing. Unlike some other brands, Drew House clearly shows you the sizing chart for all items, but I'll still give you a comparison of its sizing with few other brands that I usually wear. So I usually wear a size M in Supreme, which I believe is true to size for most brands, and a size L in ASSC or Bape cause they fit weird. For Drew House, I went with the usual size M as per their sizing chart. So it's pretty much like Supreme but slightly more relaxed fit, like slightly. So if you wear your tees snug like Salman Khan, then you could also go for a size S considering you wear an M in Supreme like me. Now, if you do not want to go through this process and wait for the next drop, then you can also buy Drew House from Main Street, as they usually carry a lot of stock in hand. So you can check their stories or text them for that. So that's about it for Drew House. Don't forget to follow them on Instagram to stay updated about the release information, and obviously follow me as well because I gave you this info. And I'll see you next week with another one. Peace.